Hey guys, how are you? This is David from Dignited. Welcome to the channel where we share tech tips and tutorials. All right, we are doing a YouTube live video today, and when I reach out to the community to ask them what topic that they would wish to have on this YouTube live, one of the members suggested that I do a tutorial on how to format micro SD card, or actually SD cards, on various file systems. All right, so that's what we're going to be doing today, and if you have any feedback, let me know in the comments below. If you liked the video, go ahead and click the like button. Also, please subscribe to the channel, because I actually noticed that a lot of you watch the videos but you never subscribe. All right, so please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like the videos. Okay, this helps out with the algorithm and the growth of the channel. All right, okay, so with that done, let's dive right into the tutorial.